It's pretty rough, horrible looking weather out off Salmon Beach today. 20 odd knots of wind blowing and it's looking like it's about to rain, but I have a feeling I should put the drone up and have a quick look. There might be something floating around out here still. We will see. Hunting all over the place looking for any sign of a shark. I think that if there were a lot around, we'd be seeing them. I don't think there are that many. This weather's been pretty horrible, but managed to come across a place that's protected. Check this out. So this is Esperance's resident pod. Bottlenose dolphins. Run across these guys out here every week or two. They're usually doing this mega surfing. Really cool to watch.